introduction. Hello guys. Today we are gonna to study about the skeletal system. Human had around 206 bone and a few cartilage that make a human skeletal system. First, we have to know the definition of a skeletal system. A skeletal system is the constituent of framework and a few cartilage. This system has a significant role in movement of our body. Like when we are when we are taking anything, have to move our hand. We are with the help of our leg, our lower bone. We are walking with the help of temporal mandibular bone. We are chewing the food. The all the activities and the movement are done by our bone. Skeletal system is further divided on two parts. First one, axial and appendicular. Axial skeleton system. Axial skeleton system is consists of first skull bone. Skull bone include cranial bone, facial bone, and the earlobes, and it consists of ribs, which is 12 in number, which is 12 in pair. It's around total 24, and it also consists of a vertebral column. Vertebral column is start from the atlas, then axis, and it is in till the coccyx. This is total 26 in number. And at last, it have sternum. In axial skeleton is around 18 number, and appendicular is around 126 in number. A total bone in axial skeleton is around 80 bone. Skull is consists of 29 bone. First is the frontal bone. It front side, and second is the parietal bone. Parietal bone is west. This part is called parietal bone, and this is in upper side of the mandibular bone, that is called the temporal bone. At behind is called occipital bone. This part is called occipital bone. It's a total 80 number cranium bone. 40 bone are present in facial. 6 bone are ear ossicles. And one is hyoid bone. There are total 12 pairs. First 7 is directly joined to the sternum, which is called vertebrosternal. 7 to 8 to 10 ribs are not directly joined to the sternum. It joined to the condyle is called vertebrocondyle, and the last two parts, the floating ribs, is for floating. It's called false rib of floating ribs. And in thoracic vertebral column, there are total 5 type. First one is cervical. Cervical vertebra is around 7 in number. Cervical vertebra is 7 in number, C1 to C7. Then T12, this is called thoracic vertebrae. Thoracic vertebrae total 12 in number. 12 number is present in the behind to the sternum, or you can also say that it conveys the human ribs. Then third is a lumbar. Lumbar is around 5 in number, and it is present at the portion of kidney. Then is called sacrum and coccyx. Sacrum is around 5 in number, and coccyx is around 4 in number, but in adult it becomes huge and make one bone. The next is appendicular bone. Appendicular bone is around 126 number. It consists of forearm. Forearm is around 30 plus 30. Two pair is around 16, and one clavicle and one scapula. Both sides is one is around 4 in number. In upper arm is around total 64 bone is there. In lower arm around 62 bones in there. 30 bone inside, one capsule. That's whole part. Appendicular bone. Appendicular starts from the front of our clavicle. Clavicle is also known as beauty bone. It supports with the sternum. Behind to the scapula is present. In forearm, the first bone is called humerus bone, and these are all the connective tissue. The greenish part. This one is called humerus bone. It is the longest bone in the forearm. There are two more bone in hand. This is called radius bone. The thumb portion of the bone is called the radius bone, and which bone joined to the radius is called ulnar bone. There are 8 carpal in a forearm that is called scapuloid, lunate, triquestrum, form trapezoid, trapezium, hemitate, capite, and 5 metacarpal is there. 5 or 4 metacarpal is there, and total 40 phalanges is there, and total 30 bone parent. 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, total 3 bone. 8 metacarpal, total 11, 40 phalanges, 25, and 5 metacarpal is around total 30 bone. 30 plus 30 is around 60 bone is parent forearm plus one clavicle and one scapula. Total 64 bones are present in forearm. Then we are going to the lower arm. Lower arm consists of coccyx and pelvis, which are around 2 in number. Then first bone, the largest bone of the human body and the supporting structure of human body, is the femur. Femur is the largest bone in a human body. After femur, the patella is present, which helps in the rotation of the lower limb. Next bone is tibia. Tibia, and the behind of tibia is fibula. Total 4 bones till now. One which is called, first one femur, second patella, third tibia, fourth fibula. After this fourth bone, is called tarsal. Tarsal is 7 in number. Is called calthinum, navicular, calthinum with let me take, if I show you the behind one, calthinum. This one is called malleolus, tabular, navicular. They are total 7 in number. Tarsal is total 7 in number. 4 plus 7 is around 11. Metatarsal is 5 in number, and 40 phalanges is also there. Is around plus 40 phalanges is around total 13 number. How many? 1 femur, 1 tibia, 1 fibula. First start from the phalanges. 40 phalanges there. 5 metatarsal is around 19. 7 tarsal, 19 plus 7, 26. 1 tibia, 27. 1 fibula, 28. This one knee, tarsal, patella, 29, and the femur, total 30 number. This is our skeletal system and the main part of bone. Thank you. Thanks so much.